Hey rail fans, it's Bruce, and in Princeton, Ontario, we have what looks like the London to Paris local service unit. And 4902. Okay. I bet they're doing some switching here. There is a customer right over here that takes tankers. Train number 583 is the London to Paris local. I forgot what number, but just heard it on my scanner. They're stopping, and there is 4 covered hoppers here that look like the covered hoppers at the customer behind me. Yep, he's getting up to uncouple. Uncouple, set the brakes on a couple of the tankers that are there.
Black test 2 brakes, south main. Black test, right. 760 VU, standing by. And 583
Okay, doing the little brake test. Pushing back a little bit, and now the 2 workers have climbed up and they'll separate. Yep, there they go. This is really cool. I didn't expect to see this. I've been here a few times, but never seen a local train dropping off. Dropping off or picking up cars. So 1 worker threw the switch, and they're about to head back to the siding here, or the spur, I guess you would call it. For some reason, the lights and gates behind me now activated, but the train is not crossing here. There they just deactivated. And I'm quite a ways away, but I'm trying to hold it as still as possible. See them going onto the service track here. Okay, they hooked on to some more cars that they are pulling out. They did not take all of them. They took them from this, oh, okay. They took them from this track. It looks like they left one. This customer does have its own little spotter locomotive and a tiny little spur that it's parked on at the other end. Okay, they pulled out the cars and it looks to me like they're going to just park them there and put back in the 4 that they brought over from the train. That's my guess, considering that they're not pushing back to hook up to the train yet. They'll probably do that after the fact. Either way, this is really cool that I get to see this and put it on a video. Okay, now they're backing back across the road. I would presume to pick up the rest of their train.
I'm out and clear back one big one joint. C, total, axle, 4, 3, 6, speed, 2, 7. Back
And these hoppers they pulled out are obviously empty, looking at the springs, and that makes sense. It is a cement plant. They would get full hoppers in and unload them.
And 583 cross stretch.
Bang! So as the employee was walking by from the cars they just hooked up back up to the locomotive, I wished him a good day, and he said he was really enjoying himself because it's such a beautiful day out, which it is. And now off they go on their way to Paris. And ultimately in Paris, they'll park the train, run the locomotives around to the other end, and do any work they have to do there, pick up or drop off, and head back to London.